I started working with Active Life because I had bilateral shoulder surgery on my labrums and my rotator cuffs, and they bridged the gap between PT and working out in the gym. Active Life has changed my training drastically, and not just because of my shoulder surgeries. It's any time I have any issue, I go to them and we work on that certain issue, and it's just fixing imbalances, and I really notice that in my training. Another huge aspect of working with Active Life is that they're huge on mindset, and so that's been so helpful for me inside and outside of the gym. I'm Kristine Andali, and I'm an Active Life athlete.